All right, here we are again, back at it. Clover wanted to do one more experiment for the day. So here we go. So in our bowl here, we dumped 1 container of milk. You can use whatever kind of milk that you have, right?
Why now?
So we poured the milk in here, and then we're gonna take some of our dish soap and we're gonna squeeze it in here. You don't need a lot, like just a little bit, okay? And then we're gonna take some colors and we're gonna put it in the milk. Okay, ready? Okay, put green. Okay. And we'll put some blue. Okay. And we will put some pink.
Pink is my favorite.
Pink's your favorite?
And purple.
And purple. My favorite's green.
What?
Okay. And we have pink.
And
And I have some yellow. So we'll put some yellow in. And use a
that's
stick.
you.
Yep. Oops. Oh. Put the yellow here. And some yellow there.
Are done.
Okay.
Let's go mix it up.
All right. So then we're going to take a Q-tip. And this is super easy. We take the Q-tip. Clover, hold on here. I'm going to give it to you, okay? And we're going to take this and we're going to put it in dish soap. Okay, so that you have it right on there. So now that we have our colors in the bowl, let's see what happens when we put the Q-tip that has the dish soap on it on the colors. What? Whoa, that's super cool. You should definitely try this. I wonder why it does that. Does anybody have an idea why it might do that? So I bet you're thinking, why did this happen? Well, milk has vitamins, minerals, proteins, and fats in it. And dish soap, most of it dissolves in water, but the other part of dish soap actually looks for fat. So when you put the dish soap actually in the milk, the proteins and fats separate and the dish soap goes looking for the fat. So when you touch the soap to the color that's in the milk, in the fat, it gives a burst of color. Now, when you notice, when you keep touching it, all of a sudden you're not getting those bursts of color anymore, that means that the dish soap has found all of the fat. So a fun way to experiment is to use different kinds of milk. So I used 1% milk. If you used a 2% or whole milk or maybe even like heavy cream or half and half, those have more fat in it. So you'll probably get a different reaction, which would also be a fun experiment. If you decide to try that, let me know because I'd love to hear what happens.